Good morning to all. Good morning to everyone present over here. Okay, so let's begin the class then. The time is done. Let's begin the class. Yeah, fine. Okay, let me share the screen first. Wait. Yeah. So just let me know everything is okay. Writing and all, audio, everything okay. We'll begin the class then. Yeah, fine. Thank you, Bhavisha. Okay, so let's begin the class then. Okay, today's session is on coordinate geometry. So let me mention on the screen first. Today the whole session will be discussed on coordinate geometry here. So I want everyone to just be ready with your pen and pencil because you have to write the answers and all, because here it is not a conceptual, it is an application based chapter. That's why. So PYQs will discuss, and for this particular chapter also we have all the sections. Okay. For every chapter I will mention like this, like in like sections and all, which sections it's used to come and all. So for the all section it used to come for the 1 marks also, 2 marks also, 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 5. And today the things will be like 3 questions each. Okay, so which mean 12 questions for this session total. So let's begin the class. Let me check the last. Only 7 members joined. Let it be. Yeah, fine. 3 questions. So just start with the things first. Okay. Section A. Section A, we are doing it. First one. Okay, the question tends to be very asked, very like many times this question used to ask the distance of the point. The distance of the point is given -6, 8 from origin. Figure out the answers, everyone. I am giving the options below. 6, B option is -6, C option is 8, and D option is 10. Yeah. Figure out the answer of this. The distance of the point -6, 8 from origin. Figure out. As we know here, root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is a formula. So let's keep the values here. X2 value is what? 0 minus x1 is what? -6. So this become +6. Here again 0 minus 8 whole square. Okay, next will be what? 36 plus 64. After addition will come what? 100, and answer become 10. Let me check. Nobody answered till yet. D is the option. D. This is our distance formula. Remember this distance formula that we need to just keep it. And here, if I will write here, see, first point is 6, 8, and origin stands for what? As you know, 0, 0. Okay. So this become our x1, this become our y1. Same way, this become our x2, this become our y2. So just we kept this value in this formula, we got the answers. Yeah, option D, or most of the answer was D. Yeah. Now let's switch to question number 2 now. Question number 2 is the distance between, this is a little bit complicated, okay? The distance between the points. Okay, the points given below. Here the points are A cos theta plus B sin theta, comma 0. First point is this, and 0, comma A sin theta minus B cos theta is distance we have to find out. Okay, just figure out. Again, apply the same formula, you'll get the answer. A square plus B square is the distance. B option is A square minus B square. C option is root under A square plus B square. And the last one, root under A square minus B square. Figure out the answers, everyone. You have the x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, so this way only just figure out. This one is x1, this one is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Figure out the answers and let me know the answer in the comment box. As we see here, the formula is this. Okay, so just one by one keep the values. X2 values, what here it is 0 minus a cos theta will come plus b sin theta, but this will be changed. This become negative, right? Here this become negative. Whole square plus y square is also y2 is what? A sin theta minus b cos theta minus 0 whole square. Let me check. Anybody got the answer? No. Okay, try this, try this. You have a time. Here the final value come like this. Okay, we just removed that 0. Now main thing is this part only, just do it carefully. Okay, main thing we got like this. Now here expand it on the place of what? A minus b whole square. Okay, so a square, okay, b square. Now next will be what? Minus 2a, right? But here if you'll see a value is negative, so it become plus 2ab, right? So 2 into a cos theta into b sin theta. That is a thing first. Now next, again a square sin square theta. Okay, next one will be plus b square. Here is cos, right? B square cos square theta and minus a sin theta b cos theta. This is the thing. Now what we can cancel here? This whole part got cancelled. Now remaining is 2a square. No, wait. Anyone got the answer of this? Anyone? Nobody. Yeah, here we can see here what is remaining: a square cos square, b square sin square, a square sin square, and b square cos square. What we can do common and all. Here, as you see, a common will be what? If you will take a square common, see this. We are picking this one, the thing I'm just taking up. Okay, a square common. So what will come? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. First one done. And here b square and b square common, so again plus b square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now here we have a use of trigonometry also. As we know, this two part remains what? Meaning is what? As you know, let me write here, sin square theta plus cos square theta values what? 1 only na. So this and this become 1. So a square into 1 plus b square into 1. This will come. And final answer, a square plus b square. So the option is C option. Let me check others. Nobody got the answer. Okay, C option. Understood this one? What we did? We had just kept in the distance formula. Okay, we expanded on based on a minus b whole square. This one and this one. Okay, cancelled out. This two things got cancelled, and we had taken a square b square common here. And you know this sin square plus cos square is 1. We used that and we got the answer. Understood? Everyone? Let me know in the comment box. Then only we can proceed further. Everyone understood this? Yeah, fine. Let's switch to third one now. Question number 3. Okay, the question number 3 is, you have a point, you have a B point. A point is 2 comma 8, B point is minus 6 comma minus 4. Question is asking about the C. What is X? What is Y? We are giving the option below. A option is minus 4 comma 2. B option is 2 comma minus 4. C option is 6 comma 8, and the D option is minus 6 comma 8. Figure out the answers, everyone. You have to find the midpoint of this. Midpoint. Figure out the answers. Let me know in the comment box. For getting the x value, we know that x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and for getting y value, it is what y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay. Here x1 is this, y1 is this, x2 is this, y2 is this. So just keep the value here. Here, as we see here, minus 2 minus 6 power, this will come. 8 minus 4 divided by 2 will come. Here this become minus 8 divided by 2. Here this become what? 4 divided by 2. Cancel out. This become minus 4 comma 2. Yeah, let me check. All of you got the same answer. Option A, correct. Yeah, option A. We got C, minus 4 comma 2. I hope this is clear now. Yeah, fine, fine, fine. Okay, let's switch to section B now. Section B. 2 mass questions. Fine. Okay, section B. Okay, keep the first one now. The question is, write a coordinate of P on x-axis which is equidistant from point A, which is this one, and B point is 6 comma 0. Figure out this one, everyone. X-axis, focus on this one, x-axis. Okay, so be just alert on this one. Equidistance means you will put a equal. So here you will find a distance formula, apply distance formula to get the answer. As we see here we have a point and B point. P is here. Okay, distance is equal. A point is given minus 2 comma 0. B point is x-axis stands for what? Let me know. X comma 0, right? And B point will write what? 6 comma 0. Okay, so just find out PA distance, then find out PB distance and compare both. You'll get the answer. Find out PA first. PA. So here it will come x plus 2 whole square. Here it will come 0 minus 0 whole square. So after expansion, x square plus 4 plus 4x. This will come. A plus b whole square we expanded. Then find out PB. Root under 6 minus x whole square, and this become what? 0 minus 0 whole square. After this will come what? 36 plus x square minus 12x. I hope it is clear now. Yeah. Now equidistance stands for what? PA and the PB is having an equal distance. Okay. So we will just compare to get the value. PA equal to PB. Okay. Keep the values now. PA is what? X square plus 4 plus 4x. And here PB is what? 36 plus x square minus 12x. Okay. Root cancel. And as we see, x square and x square also cancel, right? Now remaining is what? Just take the x value together. So 12x this side plus become, and 36 minus 4 that side. Okay, this becomes 16x. This become what? 32. And x value become what? 32 divided by 16. Cancel out. Answer 2. So therefore point P was what? X comma 0, right? Which mean answer is what? Put the x value 2 comma 0. This is a P point. Check this answer. Understood this? Equidistant stands for, remember this one, equal distance. That's why we compared both. We kept both as a equal like this. I hope this is clear now. Yeah. Understood this, everyone? Let me know in the comment box, then only we'll proceed further. Understood this? Yeah, fine, fine. Okay, let's switch to next one now. Yeah, good question. Question number 2 now. Question number 2 is, if the distance between the points 4 comma k and 4 comma k and 1 comma 0 is 5. Find the value of k. First check it through what is given here. Okay, the points are given here, so first and second point is given, and this is what, this is a distance. It is a distance. Okay, remember this. So like just apply the distance formula. So just here what we'll do here, we'll assume it a point as 4 comma k and b point as 1 comma 0. Okay, so apply distance formula. AB equal to what, root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now AB, see, distance is given. What is distance given? 5. So AB below keep 5. Here already the distance is given. Okay, now x2 minus x1 stands for what you'll do here. This will be 1 minus 4 whole square. Understood? Plus y2 minus y1 stands for 0 minus k whole square. This is a thing now. Now later what you'll do here, this become what, minus 3 whole square, and this become what, minus k whole square. Understood this one? Now tell me, if you will remove the root from here, that will go that side, what it become, square, right? This become 5 square now, and remove the root, so this become 9, this become what, k square. Okay, okay, now this become 25, this become 9 k square. Now 9 shifted that side, so 25 minus 9, k becomes what, 16 k square, and the k become what, root under 16. Answer become plus minus 4. So value of k is what, plus minus 4, both. These are the value. I hope this is clear now what we did. Understood this, everyone? What we did here already the distance was given. This one we kept as a distance. See, I'm just making a circle. This was the distance already given here. See, 5. So we just kept the value, and whenever you will remove the root, that side becomes square. Okay, yeah, fine. Now question number 3. Question number 3 will be like, let me check a like good one. Yeah, fine. Question number 3 now. Show that the points A is given 6 comma 4, B point is given 5 comma minus 2, and C is given 7 comma minus 2. Okay, are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Figure out the answers. This question came last 2023 question. Show that it is a isosceles triangle. Okay, so let me start with the answer part. If you know, you can continue with the answers. Okay, as we know, for the isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal. Okay, so if you will get the two sides equal, you will get the answer. A value is what, 6 comma 4, B value is what, 5 comma minus 2, and C value is what, 7 comma minus 2. Okay, now here just find the AB distance, BC distance, and the AC distance. You will get the answer. Okay. So first one we'll start with the AB. So just figure out the answers here. 5 minus 6 whole square. This will be what, minus 2 minus 4 whole square. Now this become what, minus 1 whole square. This become what, minus 6 whole square. And after this 1 plus 36, and answer become root 37. Okay. AB value we got it. Now find out BC distance now. BC will be what, 7 minus 5 whole square, then minus 2 minus, no, it become plus. And this become what, 2 whole square, this become what, 0. Now this become root under 4, which is 2 only. Now BC we got it. Now CA. CA will be 6 comma minus 7 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square. Okay. Now here minus 1 whole square, this become what, 6 whole square. After this 1 plus 36, after this root under 37. Okay, as you see here, AB is what, root 37, BC is what, 2 only, and CA is what? Again root 37. So as you see, AB is equal to CA, right? Both are root 37, root 37. So here two sides are equal. It is isosceles triangle. That's all. Single one side is like different. See, it is a two only. Understood this? Everyone? Understood this one? This was an important one because like every year this kind of question tends to ask. Okay, fine. Let's switch to section C now. Section C, 3 marks. First one. Okay, let's discuss the important one. And the question is, yeah, we got a good question here. Find the point on y-axis which is equidistant from 5 comma minus 2 and 3 minus 3 comma 2. Just now we had did for the 2 marks question, but here the same question is there, but it is asking for the 3 marks. So just figure out the answer. This question came in 2020. Check this out. It is a y-axis. So just remember this, what you'll do here. It is a y-axis here. Okay. Figure out the answers, everyone. For your own like understanding purpose, you can draw the diagram better. A value I will take it as a 5 comma minus 2. B value I will take it as minus 3 comma 2, and I will take P point as y-axis now. So this will become 0 comma y. Remember this, 0 comma y will come. Don't write y comma 0. Now find out PA distance. So PA distance will be uh, 0 minus 5 whole square. This become what? Y plus 2 whole square. Next will be what? 25 plus y square plus 4 plus 4x. Okay. Final answer y square plus 4y. Sorry, 4y will come. Y plus 4y plus 29 will come. PA. Now same way find out PB now. So this become minus 3 minus 0 whole square, and next will be what? 2 minus y whole square. This become 9. This become 4 plus y square minus 4y. And final answer y square minus 4y plus 13. Okay, now compare because it is having a equidistance, so we know what we need, what we have to do it here. P equal to PB, root under y square plus 4y plus 29, and this side y square minus 4y plus 13, and root cancel, y square cancel. Let me take a different color, better you will get. Y square, this root got cancel, y square cancel. As we see here, 4y plus 4y together, 13 minus 29 together. Okay, now this become 8y, this become 9 minus 6, and this become 16. Y value become what? 16 by 8 cancel out, y value will be 2. Check this out what we did. So y value 2. So the point becomes what? So the point P what we kept 0 comma y now is what? 0 comma 2. That's all. That is the answer. We assumed as 0 comma y because it was having a y axis. Okay. So we kept the y value, which is what? P is equal to 0 comma 2. Understood this? Yeah. Fine. 3 marks question this one. Same pattern, but it is asked in 3 marks. So content should be there according to it. Okay. Now switch to section question number 2. Question number 2 will be, just 2 minutes. We will just figure out the good question and all here. Yeah, we have a good one. Let me draw first. We have a parallelogram given. Okay, a point minus 2 comma 1, and B point is a comma 0, C point is 4 comma B, and D point is 1 comma 2. Okay, find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. Yes, how you will solve this? Let me know. How you gonna solve this, boys and girls? If you want to try, you can try. Anyone will try this? You can apply, see here, don't go for finding distance formula, okay? Apply section formula or midpoint, anything. Find the midpoint of BD, then find the midpoint of AC, and then compare. So for the answer part and all, we will try like this. See, where we have to apply distance formula and where we have to apply distance formula, like section formula, distance formula, that is a trick only to just figure out. First find out the midpoint of AC. Okay, as we see, AC line is here, so finding midpoint, which means what you will do here for finding x value, this will become this. Okay, and b plus 1 divided by 2. We got this. Final will come what? After cancellation, this become 1, b plus 1 divided by 2. This is our midpoint of AC, okay? Same way, midpoint of BD now. Midpoint of BD, okay? So now what we'll do, 1 plus A divided by 2 and 2 plus 0 divided by 2, okay? Final answer, 1 plus A divided by 2, and this become what? 1. So we got the midpoint of both the lines. Now just compare the x and x, y and y. See this. Here is x, this is y. Here is x, this is y. So just compare the x and x first, okay? So as we see, x value is what? This one equal to. Here is x value what? Oh, wait. Let me take directly now. Here see, x value is what? 1 only. Here is x value what? 1 plus a divided, okay? So 1, and that side 1 plus a divided by 2. Why we are comparing the x? Because we know that it is a parallelogram and parallelogram diagonals are equal. Okay, let me mention that one. Parallelogram diagonals are, let me mention, yeah, diagonals are equal. That's why we are comparing the x value. Okay, now cross multiply, this will go to that side, and 1 plus a as it is, this become what? 2 minus 1, answer will be 1. Okay, we got the a value, which is what? 1. Now same way, compare the y and y. So y is here and y is here, okay? So therefore b plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Cross multiply, so b plus 1 and 2, and b becomes what? I think 1 only. See, we got the a, we got the b. So therefore point b becomes what? It was a comma 0, right? So what we can write? B point as 1 comma 0. Same way, point c was what? 4 comma b. So c point become what? 4 comma 1. That's all. Understood this? Minus 2. Which one is minus 2? Which one you're talking about? Say this. B point is this. Let me make a mark here. This is the first answer. This is the second answer. Okay. Check this out, everyone. Check this out. What we did here. We'll just wait for just 2 minutes and then we'll proceed further. Understood? Vagdevi, isn't it two, sir? Which one? Previous question, sir. Previous question. Okay, let me check. Yeah. Correct. You're correct. Here is minus 16, minus 16, minus 2. Yeah, correct. Minus 2. Yeah, change it. Minus 2. Correct. Thank you for this. Minus 2 will come. Fine. Okay. Minus 2 will come. Yeah, fine. Minus 2 will come. Just correct it. Minus 29, that was the bigger one. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Okay, okay. Shall we switch to next one? Question number 3. Shall we switch to question number 3? Yeah, fine. Now, question number 3, I'm keeping down here. Now, the question is find the ratio. Okay, find the ratio. We are keeping the values below. A value here, B value here. So, A value keeping it. A value is minus 6, comma 10. B value is 3, comma minus 8. And the P point also given. P point is minus 4, comma 6. We have to figure out the n value. What is m? What is n? Figure out this. You have all the values given, and as you know, if we have to find the ratios, m place you will keep k, n place you'll keep 1. Remember now? So keep this one and you'll get the answer. Here is x1, y1. This is what x2, y2. This is what x and y only. So by the one formula only you'll get the answer. Figure out this in the answer part. As we know, the x formula is what? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Okay. Now keep the values here now. X value what we have? Minus 4. Keep it below. Equal to m value will keep k. X2 is what? X2 is 3 plus n value is what? 1. X1 is what? Minus 6 divided by k plus 1. Now cross multiply that side. So this become what? Minus 4k minus 4. Okay. And this become what? 3k minus 6 minus 4k minus 3k. And this become what? Minus 6 plus 4. So last answer minus 7k equal to minus 2 minus minus cancel. K become what? 2 by 7. Okay. As you know, k stands for what? M is to n. Okay. So m equal to what? 2. Just compare it. This become m value. This become what? N value. Okay. I just kept it like this. K stands for what? M by n ratio. You know this. So m become 2 and n become what? 7. That's all. That was the ratio here. So by the help of only single formula, you will get the answer. No need to apply the y formula. Understood? Okay. Everyone, this was for the 3 marks. Now let's switch to section number D, last one. Section D. Now maybe I hope that you're getting it, like where to apply distance formula and where to apply midpoint. I hope you're getting it. Now let's go for question number, this 5 marks questions. Actually in this particularly question, question 5 never used to come that much, like maximum 1 or maybe not also. Okay, so let's try this something. But question is, yeah, we have a good question here. Show that triangle ABC, where a point is given, a point is minus 2 comma 0 comma, b point is 2 comma 0 and c point is 0 comma 2. Okay, and triangle PQR, where P is minus 4 comma 0, Q is 4 comma 0 and R is 0, comma 4 are similar triangle. Remember similar triangles, what we do? Here in this question, two triangles are given. Okay, the points are given. Find the distance of that. And how to figure out similar triangles? Find the ratio of the sides. Try this on your own. I will also do, you will also do. Okay, figure out the answers, everyone. A, B, C. Okay, first figure out this one. First find out AB distance. So AB will be 2 plus 2 whole square, and this becomes 0 minus 0 whole square. Figure out the AB distance. AB, BC, and CA. Okay, same way in the PQ are also same thing do. Here it becomes 4 square. This become what? 16. That become 4. Okay, we got the AB, which is what? AB is 4. First one we got it. Now same way BC. BC find out. BC will be, I think same will come. 0 minus 2 and 2 minus 0. Okay, I'm doing keeping it directly. This become 2 square, and 4 plus 4, 8. Yeah, just try this, everyone. Try this. 4 plus 4, 8. So this become 8. Now same way, and 4, 2 root 2 we can write, right? Huh. CA find out. CA will be 0 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 0. Same thing will come. Okay, 0 plus 2 whole square, and here 2 minus 0 whole square. Yeah, this again what? Root 8 will come, 2 root 2. Okay, we got the first one. Okay, now try for the PQR. Same way, PQR. We got all the distance. Let me keep the distance also. AB is 4, BC is 2 root 2, and CA also 2 root 2. Okay, yeah. Question is easy, but it is kind of lengthier one. That's why it is not 5 marks. Okay, and PQ is, let me figure out PQ here. So PQ distance will be, let me write on here. PQ distance will be, this will be 4 plus 4 whole square, and last part becomes 0 minus 0 whole square. So this become what? 8 square. So final answer 64. Answer become 8. Okay, now PQ done. Let me take a margin. PQ done. Now QR. QR will be 0 minus 4 and 4 minus 0. Okay, this becomes 16, this becomes 16. So root under 32, and 32 small form will be like what? Just write in the comment section. Root 32, what will come? Short form. And let's find the last one, PR. Everyone just figure out now. Root 32, what will come? Short form. Let me know in the comment section. PR will be 0 plus 4 whole square and 4 minus 0 whole square. This again 16, this again 16, root 32. What is the short form of root 32? Anyone? Short form of root 32. Anyone? Nobody? Root 32, what will come? 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay, pair is there. So 4 root 2 will come, right? Yeah, fine, good. So this is answer what? 4 root 2. This answer is what? 4 root 2. No, let me mention that also. Here PQ become what? 8. This is what? 4 root 2. This is what? 4 root 2. Okay, as we know, to check the similar triangle, what we do? Let me mention that also. AB by PQ should be there, equal to BC by QR. Last one, CA by PR. If all the ratios will be equal, it is similar triangle. Okay, now keep the values here. AB value we have 4, divided by PQ value we have 8. Same way, BC becomes 2 root 2. This become what? 4 root 2. Last answer, 2 root 2 again. This has become 4 root 2. Now, boys and girls, cancel out. Root 2 cancel, root 2 cancel. This is become 1 by 2. This become also 1 by 2. This become also 1 by 2. Now check this out. What we got? 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 and equal to 1 by 2. Is it okay? All the ratios are equal. What it mean? So triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. That's all. Similar triangles. Understood this? 5 marks. Everyone understood this? What we did? For 5 marks questions, let it be till here only, because like for the 5 marks problem in the coordinate geometry, it never used to come. For 3 marks only it measure, because when we check the last previous year questions and all, for the 5 marks, last time it came in 2015. In 2015 only, from this chapter, the question came for 5 marks, coordinate geometry. After 2015 in section D, it like didn't come, so let it be this 5 marks. Better you focus for MCQs, 2 marks and the 3 marks. Okay, everyone, for this, like, is it okay, like, easy to understand this? Sometimes the previous questions also used to, like, concepts. See, here we are discussing about the coordinate geometry, but still it is asking about similar triangles, so which means triangle concepts also there. So sometimes the questions are like interrelated with the things and all, with the previous chapters. Is it okay? So this section D, let it be, because last time it came in 2015. So 5 marks question, no need to focus more. Okay, you focus more on section A, which is of 1 marks. Okay, then section B, which is of 2 marks, and last one section C, which is of 3 marks. You all keep a mark of this, because for every chapter I'm marking this one, which sections are important. Okay, so for this coordinate geometry, these things are only important: 1 marks, 2 marks and 3 marks. 5 marks, like, very rare, it is very rare. Last time it came in 2015, I mentioned before. After 2015 it never comes, so it's been 9 years. The question never comes into like section D. Okay, so better you focus on these. So I hope like today's session is like beneficial for you. So let's conclude then. Who is this Karthik? Karthik, sometimes more people are just engaged. Let it be. So, like, thank you for joining the class. Let's meet. What do you want today? Evening session will be, you want or not? Like, we can start the trigo. Today's session you want? Thank you for joining the class. Let me know, then only leave the meeting. Today's session, trigo. Is it okay? Trigonometry previous year questions we'll discuss. Is it okay with everyone? Trigo okay na? And timing, what? Tell me your timing. Like, from my side only, I'm keeping the time and all. Maybe like many of the like students were not getting that this timing. So just let me know the timing. 6, 7, 8, or what? Tell me the timing from your side. 8 p.m. You all keep the timing now. Then only we will proceed. Like, we'll fix one time. You all keep your own timing. What you are comfortable with and all. Keep your own timing. 8. Okay, everybody's keeping the 8. Keep your timing. Keep your timing. Then only we'll conclude the class. From that also, I will get the idea about it now, that for 8 p.m. you are comfortable and all. Like, 8 p.m. is okay with everyone, I think. Okay, so just let's fix the timing then. So today's class 8 p.m. for trigo. 8:70 p.m. What is this, Karthik? 8:70. Leave it. Join 8 p.m. for trigo. Okay. So let's leave, and you can enjoy your day. and let's meet. Yeah, join 8 p.m. for trigonometry PYQ discussion. Fine. So just let's conclude the class. You can leave the meeting now. We are done. 7 p.m. Only one guy is telling me 7 p.m. Who is this? Markonda. What is this? Who is this? 7 p.m. Okay, rest of you can leave the meeting. We are done. Thank you. I'm also ending the class.